Hi, everyone. My name is Shelby Bacus, and I'm a marine biology graduate student working with Dr. Amanda Kelly here at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. And today I'll be discussing broadly my research, which looks at the effects of multiple stressors on the behavior and physiology of an intertidal grazer and a key sea star predator. So our oceans are in a current state of change, and this change is largely driven by anthropogenic forces, such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. And we know that our oceans are going to both acidify and warm concurrently. However, research has historically examined these stressors on marine organisms individually rather than interactively. And this is why multiple stressor experimentation is such an emergent area of study. And my research examines both the individual, but also the interactive effects of acidification and warming on the Pacific plate limpet, which is an important intertidal grazer, and its key sea star predator, which is the monster here in Alaska's nearshore ecosystem. And what research is finding is that ocean acidification and ocean warming can affect things such as basic ecological processes, such as behavior, by influencing other important drivers, such as physiology, neurology, environmental cues, and resources. And because of this in particular, I personally like to take a multidisciplinary approach to my own experimental design in order to really tease apart how marine organisms here in Alaska's nearshore ecosystem might respond to a changing ocean. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.